How to easily set up Wavlink extender through app. Learn how to quickly set up your Wavlink Wi-Fi extender using the mobile app. Follow this easy guide to set up your extender in minutes. Plug in your Wavlink extender near your router and wait for the power LED to blink. Download and install Wavlink Wi-Fi app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Connect your phone to the extender's default network, SSID given on the extender label. Once connected, open Wavlink Wi-Fi app. The app will show available Wi-Fi networks. Select your router's Wi-Fi network and subsequently enter its Wi-Fi password. Now, the app will establish a connection between your extender and router's Wi-Fi network. Wait for confirmation. Next, you choose a new SSID and password for the extended network or keep the same as routers. Tap Save to apply settings. Now, the extender will reboot automatically and adapt to the settings made. Wait for the LED indicators to turn solid, indicating a stable connection. Place the extender halfway between your router and weak signal areas. You can now connect all your devices to the extender's Wi-Fi network. Wavlink extender setup is complete now. You can enjoy a stable internet connection even in network dead zone areas in your homes. Thank you for watching our video.